So what happens when a dog makes a mistake? I mean, we're all human and we all go through the same thing. Typically, we're embarrassed, we're frustrated, we feel like we failed. We go through a whole host of emotions, and all of them are totally normal. However, they do not help solve the problem. I always think of myself, and it makes me laugh a little bit and takes me out of that emotional place, that I am just a detective. And I would do it in multiple sessions with all different kinds of motion. So there she threw some treats. So she's going to do different things with motion, and I'm going to make sure that Zaina is 100% solid on that, so that the next time she goes in the ring and there's motion, it's not going to mess her up. When I say the lack of information, I'm not just talking about reinforcement like cookies and a toy. I'm also talking about praise, and I'm also talking about you telling the dog they're wrong or helping them or fixing something.